Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the saving list of helpdesk tickets feature. So, we go to our helpdesk project on our demo server that you could access anytime on demo.redmineup.com. So, yeah, here we see some tickets, and if you would like to put some filters, for example, it could be assigning me. So this means that all tickets that are assigned to me will appear into this list. So currently I'm logged in as administrator, and these Paul Smith, this is me here in the demo server. So all tickets that currently is only one are listed into this query by this filter assignee is me. So if you would like to not any time putting this filter on and on and on every time, you could just save the query so you could access the query with one click. So that's it. That's it, the query thing. So here we see a floppy icon and save custom query. So we click here and put some name of our query that in our case could be just my tickets because this is the filter. So it could be visible to me only or to any users or for certain roles. Uh, yeah, this is basically up to you. However, currently I'm going to set it to me only because, yeah, these are just my tickets and no one cares about my tickets, alright? It is just me. Okay, so I put it for all projects because I'm involved in a lot of projects. Okay, so yeah, here are some other things. But I click save now, and that's it. So my tickets query. Okay, so we could access it anytime on the right sidebar here. So custom queries are the global queries, and my custom queries are that are set to be to me only. So my tickets are to me only. So if you'd like to go out of this query, you have to just click clear here, and that's it. You go in the main list of tickets. So, for example, if you go somewhere in overview and then return back, and you just access this query just with one click. So here it is on the right sidebar. So you click My Tickets, and it automatically opens this query just with one click. That's the convenient way of saving some time by this saved query. Okay, so the second way of go out of this query is first one we said with clear button, and the second one is here with this X button. So if you hover the mouse here, you see clear. Yeah, so we click and we go outside of this query. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's it. So I'm going to show you some more things. Here you could see edit custom query. Okay, so this means that you could do some more changes of the query. For example, yeah, we could set status open. Okay. Uh, yeah, we could set just these things to be available and click save. So that's it. We see these parameters here are now available. So if you go somewhere else, you clear the board. Uh, yeah, you go to my tickets here. Actually, yeah, just forgot to show something. Uh, these tickets are now more because they are globally set. So these tickets are from all projects. We see the project here and the name of the project. So these are all projects that are assigned to me and have these parameters on. So that's it. So this is important thing. This query is I have predefined it to be for all projects. That's why I can list all tickets from all projects that are with parameter assigning me and these parameters here. So yeah, this is important to know it. Again, to say, if we go to projects and, for example, help desk that we were here before a couple of minutes, and now I say my tickets, this is only one ticket, all right? So if I go to projects and issues, so this lists all issues from all projects everywhere. So currently there are 46. And if I click my query, that is my tickets, so it globally uh, lists 14 tickets, yeah, that are assigned to me, and yeah, and have these parameters on. So this is the, yeah, one more convenient way of saving time. Okay, so one more thing that I wanted to show you is, uh, yeah, you see that near the edit button, there is delete custom query button with the recycle bin icon and delete custom query text. So this talks pretty forward about itself. This is the way of delete a custom query. So we'll click delete and say OK. So yeah, now this query is no more appearing globally, as well as if I go to a specific project, for example, the help desk, and I go to issues, and we see custom queries here that were appearing before, and my custom query is no more appearing here because I have already deleted it. So it is not going in some recycle bin or somewhere else. It is deleted forever. Yeah, so it's just vanished and no more appearing. Okay, so just to, yeah, I'm going to show one more example. For example, yeah, we have remove the status at all. There are no some closed tickets. Okay, we could put some. Yeah, we could actually do some options here. So if you wish, you could mark all these columns and move them with this arrow here. So the selected columns will be a lot more. So we click apply, and yeah, we see there is a scroll here. So there are a lot of columns. Okay, so this is another way of saving a query. Another option, I mean. So of course, you can combine more things. For example, my assigning me or assigning somewhere else, some other guy, and all columns and so on. So this is up to you which options you would like to pick. This is just some example that I show you. So you're free an artist afterward that you could do some art on the board. All right. So this is yeah, this is up to you. Okay, so I save this custom query, and this time it will be to any users because it has some global uh, functionality enabled. So it is going to be all columns. Yeah, all columns. Okay, it is good. All columns. All columns to any users available. Okay, for all projects again we put. Um, yeah, here are some other options that are up to you. I'm going to leave them blank currently. So yeah, we see the columns are moved here on the right as we have already done it. And I click save. Okay, so I now clear the board and it could be fine now under custom queries topic here. So it is not my tickets, it is not my custom queries, it is custom queries in general because they are available for all users. And that's why it is appearing here. Okay, so I click on all columns, and when I scroll down, I see the scroll here because there are a lot of columns. Yeah, a lot of columns. All columns are now available here on this board. So my laptop has 15 inches of screen. If you got some bigger screen, for example, I don't know, 10 meters screen, Then you could see the full board with all columns, but currently my laptop has limitation of screen, so that's why there is a scroll at the bottom, and I move from the left to the right and from the right to the left to see all the columns that are on my board of tickets of help desk. Okay, so yeah, this was pretty much the functionality of the saving tickets of our help desk. I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from our channel on YouTube. You could check articles on our site, help and support section on redmineup.com. Please don't hesitate to ask something on our mail, that is support@redmineup.com. And if you wish, of course, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube, you could thumb up the videos, comment, and so on. So, thanks again for watching this video. Thanks for your patience, and bye bye for now.